You must have traveled
without ticket. Yeah.
See, तो आप लेट पहुंचे, इसमें किसकी गलती है? Have is main verb.
Yeah.
Can you take have outside?
Yes.
And B2 को not पे कौन सा helping verb मिलेगा? Hello everyone, this is Farooq Azam and you are watching Oxley's Talks. And in this video today, I am with my two students, Mr. Azmat.
Yeah.
He is going to be a passenger who is traveling in the train without ticket. I have Mr. Abhinav Kumar.
Yes.
And he is going to play a role of a TT, and his main job is to come into the train and check the ticket of the passengers. Okay, if you are watching the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to upload a video having conversations or might be different kinds of, which will help you all out to improve your English. So you must subscribe. Now, Mr. Azmat and Mr. Abhinav. Sound.
Abhinav.
More sound.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Abhinav as the TT and Mr. Azmat as a passengers in the train traveling without ticket. Okay.
Okay.
So we have Mr. Passengers and we have Mr. TT. Whatever you speak, take time, full, proper, with the clear sound speak.
Okay, sir.
The persons who are watching, you come here and you will be the assistant. Come, sit down and take the chair and sit down. And keep watching the recording. Pass it to him, my assistant. Okay. Well, so Mr. Ahmed as a passengers and Mr. Abhinav as a TT. You all, the audience who are watching us, watch us very carefully and learn how the sentences they are making. With the listening, I confirm you with the guarantee, you will also learn how to speak. Can we start?
Yes.
So, Mr. TT, come into the train, go to the passenger, Mr. Ahmed, and ask his ticket. Action.
Hello, where is your ticket?
Speak with the sound.
Hello, where is your ticket? Sorry, sir.
Sound is
okay. I will try it.
Try it speaking loudly.
Okay. I will. Sorry, sir. I don't have a ticket. May I put hand, sir? Why you have not ticket?
Repeat.
Why you have not ticket?
See. Why you have no ticket? Wait. So there is a question.
Yeah.
You are asking him that why you have no ticket. You are asking the reason.
Yeah.
So because of that, it's a question.
Yeah.
So make a question. Say you have a ticket.
Yeah.
Subject, verb and object.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे पास क्यों नहीं है ticket?
Why have you no ticket?
Have is main verb.
Yeah.
Can you take have outside? No.
No. Why do you?
Wait. Perfect. Wait. Let me explain. See, you have a ticket.
Yeah.
You is subject, have is verb, and a ticket is here as an object.
Yes.
So have cannot be taken out.
Yes.
Since it is a main verb. So it will take helping verb.
Yes.
B1. What will be? We will take it then. Do.
Yeah.
Explain again. This week.
Why do you have no ticket?
Very good. Why?
Sir, I will go for
Sound.
Okay, sir. I will go.
Sir,
Yeah.
मैं आज टिकट नहीं ले सका क्योंकि मैं स्टेशन लेट से पहुंचा.
Sir, today I not took ticket because I late for.
See, I not took. You cannot say na.
I will not take.
Well.
Yeah, I will.
Let me explain to the audience. You also know. See, my purpose is not how good you speak.
Yeah.
Proper, smoothly, that they understand what's going on. तो आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि मैं टिकट नहीं लिया, right? मैं टिकट नहीं लिया. It's a case of
B2. लिया B2.
B2.
Yes.
And B2 को not पे कौन सा helping verb मिलेगा?
B2 को do.
Speak loudly.
Did, sir.
Did.
Yeah.
And did आएगा तो verb क्या बनेगा?
took बन जाएगा.
B1.
Yeah,
B1. Again speak now.
I did not take ticket. Because I am late for station.
Because I am late. Yeah, I was late.
I was late.
Audience, I am late or I was late.
I was.
Write in the comments.
Because I was late.
I was late.
I was late for stations.
No, not like I was late to reach
To
the
reach
station.
Yes, sir. I was late to reach the stations.
तो आप लेट पहुंचे, इसमें किसकी गलती है?
Then you reach late.
Wait. आप लेट पहुंचे.
Then you reached late. Then what is the
अब किसका गलती है यहाँ पे?
Then which person?
लो, किसका?
And then whose
fault is?
fault is? Sir, I know this is. Sir, I know this is my fault.
लेकिन सर,
But sir,
मैंने अपनी वजह से लेट नहीं हुआ है.
But,
बेहतरी केस.
yeah, sir.
हाँ.
I'm not getting late.
मैं नहीं हुआ हूँ. वर्ब B3 में है. What is the right answer? I have not been late.
I have
I have not got late or I have not
been late.
been late. हाँ.
I have been not late for
I
my.
have not been B3 यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
होना.
I
See, मैं लेट नहीं हुआ हूँ.
yeah.
So we have two options to translate. Number one, I have not got late, right, with my own reason. Number two, दूसरा one, I have not been late. I have not
Been late.
been मतलब होना.
Yeah, sir.
अभी का भीतरी been. So I have not been late because of my reason.
Yeah. I have not been late because of my reason.
My reason.
Yeah.
तो तुम्हारे लेट होने का कारण कौन है?
Then what?
कौन है?
Then whose is yours?
Who is the reason?
Then who is the reason
for you
to getting late?
to be the late?
To be the late.
समय से निकला था घर से.
Sir, I will.
मैं घर से निकला था.
I go.
See, जब हम कहीं के लिए निकलते हैं, oh hello audience, look at me. जब हम कहीं के लिए निकलना होता है, जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि मैं सुबह 6:30 बजे ऑफिस के लिए निकलता हूँ, तो निकलने का सेंस हमारा लीव से होगा. LEAVE ऑडियंस अंडरस्टैंड इट. मैं 6:30 बजे निकलता हूँ, ये मेरा रोज का काम है, तो हम B1 B5 में बात करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
तो आई लीव माई होम फॉर ऑफिस एट आई लीव माई होम फॉर ऑफिस एट 6:30 AM. तो मैं घर से निकला, तो निकलना का सेंस यहाँ पे लीव से होगा. आई लेफ्ट होम.
Yeah, sir. I left home
समय से.
at same time.
No, I left home timely.
I left home timely.
लेकिन सर,
But there are so crowd. But sir,
रास्ते में एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
But in the way.
On the way. एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
There is an accident
took place.
Yeah.
किसी चीज का हो जाना. take place मतलब घटित होना. तो एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया. One accident took place on the road. And so मैं लेट हो गया.
I will late.
Sound.
Yes, sir. I
got late.
I got late.
So I
got late.
बहाना तो अच्छा बना लेते हो तुम बना लेते हो.
You make good
excuse. ये बहाना यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? EXCUSE. excuse का मतलब माफ करना भी होता है एंड बहाना भी होता है. तो जब ये नाउन है तो बहाना होगा, जब ये वर्ब है तो माफ करना. तो यू मेक गुड एक्सक्यूज. बट रिपीट,
यू मेक गुड एक्सक्यूज.
मैं तुम्हारे रीजन को नहीं मानने वाला.
I have to know.
I don't agree.
I don't agree
with your reason.
With your reason.
तुम ट्रेन में हो बगैर टिकट, ये क्राइम है.
You are in the train without ticket. It's a crime.
This is a crime.
This is the crime.
इसलिए
so
sound.
You so
पैसे दो.
You give me money.
मैं तुम्हारा टिकट बनाता हूँ.
I make your ticket.
नहीं तो
otherwise
जेल जाओ.
You go to jail.
Go to
jail.
सर मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ सर.
Sir, I am a student.
आप समझिए मेरी प्रॉब्लम को.
You understood my situation.
You understand.
You understand my situation.
My problem.
My problem.
क्या गवर्नमेंट ने अलग से कोई रूल बनाया है स्टूडेंट के लिए? क्या गवर्नमेंट ने कोई रूल स्पेशल स्टूडेंट के लिए बनाया है? भीतरी क्वेश्चन.
What has
गवर्नमेंट सिग्नल होता है. गवर्नमेंट क्या है बढ़िया? Come close. Be the audience. Come. Come here. Don't watch the phone. Be there. Come fast. हाँ, क्या गवर्नमेंट ने कोई रूल बनाया है नीति क्या में?
What have
तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हाँ या ना जवाब होगा ना, तो हाँ या ना में हम WH वर्ड नहीं ला सकते। हैज गवर्नमेंट सिंगुलर वर्ड होता है। हैज अ गवर्नमेंट
made
any rule separate for a student
students? No, sir.
तो फिर मैं क्यों सुनूं तुम्हारा?
Then I listen
why do I?
Then why do I listen you? Because you are also a student.
हाँ, अभी स्टूडेंट है?
No, sir.
आप
in
भी
the past.
स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे।
Yeah.
ये आप भी अवश्य स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे। ऑडियंस द कैच हियर, आप भी अवश्य स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे।
In the past.
We are in modern past.
Yeah, sir.
बोलिए।
In the past, you should also.
नहीं, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, बट पास्ट टेंस मस्ट में आएगा। देखिए, you must have been. आप भी अवश्य स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे। You must have been a student also.
You must.
You must have been a student also.
You must have been a student also.
And मैं confirm हूँ।
And I confirm this.
आप भी बगैर टिकट चले होंगे।
You
travel.
must have traveled without ticket.
समझ रहे? आप भी चले होंगे, पॉसिबिलिटी है लेकिन ज्यादा।
Yeah.
So you must have traveled.
You must have traveled without ticket. Yeah.
See, मैं क्या था, मैं क्या किया, ये मेरा काम नहीं है तुम्हें बताना।
What I was and what I have done.
Very good. ये मेरा काम तुम्हें बताना नहीं है।
It's not my
work to tell you. बात मत करो।
You
don't argue.
Don't argue.
पैसा दो, टिकट बनाता हूँ, वरना पुलिस को बुला के जेल भेज दूंगा।
You give me money, I make you ticket, otherwise you go to jail.
अब मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊंगा,
I will call police and you send you jail.
जब मैं बोलूँ तो आप रुकेंगे। मैं रुक जाऊंगा, फिर आप मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊंगा एंड तुम्हें जेल भेज दूंगा।
I will call police
and send you to jail. सर मेरा एग्जाम है, मैं एग्जाम के लिए जा रहा हूँ।
Sir, actually I have exam. I have exam.
Sound.
Actually I have exam, sir. Understood my problem. I don't have a money for.
Repeat again.
I don't have money to pay fine and ticket also.
मैं कुछ नहीं सुन सकता।
I can't listen anything.
ठीक है सर।
Okay sir.
आप मेरा टिकट बना दीजिए।
Okay, you make my ticket.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
What is your name? My name is Azmat.
कहाँ से आ रहे हो तुम?
Where are you coming?
From where?
From where you are coming?
तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? ये कौन सा कैसे? मतलब before काम जारी, तो तुम आ रहे हो, you are coming। अभी कहाँ सवाल हो गया? Where सबसे पहले आएगा, WH वर्ड सब्जेक्ट से भी पहले आता है, और क्या के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब बाहर जाएगा? Where are you coming from? या from where are you coming? Yes.
From where are you coming? From Darbhanga.
Speak loudly.
From Darbhanga, sir.
मैं आ रहा हूँ दरभंगा से।
I am come from Darbhanga.
I am के साथ before लगता है ना? हाँ।
I am coming from Darbhanga.
And जा कहाँ रहे हो?
And where are you going? Actually, my exam in the Patna city. So that's why
मैं पटना जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to the Patna.
नहीं लगा।
I am going to Patna.
Audience. Actually, proper noun में हम लोग articles नहीं लगा सकते। जैसे इंसान का नाम हो, जगह का नाम हो, ये सब proper noun में आता है। और proper noun के पहले articles लगाया नहीं जाता है। तो मैं पटना जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to Patna.
Super, very good. I'll give you chocolate after the class. Fine.
Dairy milk, sir. I need dairy milk.
You need dairy milk. Fine, I'll give you that. Big one, silk one. Okay. So I'm going to Patna. कौन सा एग्जाम है तुम्हारा?
Which exam is yours?
Do you have?
Actually,
sir. SSC का एग्जाम है सर।
SSC exam, sir.
It's okay.
चलो
ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारा टिकट बना देता हूँ। It's okay. मैं तेरा टिकट बना देता हूँ।
I make your ticket. But sir, one problem है।
ठीक है सर, पहले देखते हैं।
Okay.
ऐसा पूछ होता है।
Okay.
पर okay sir। अलाउ 1125 रुपए दो।
You give me 125. 1000. Yeah. 1025 rupees. You give me
1125.
yeah 1025.
1025 rupees.
Oh, 11,025 rupees.
ऑडियंस आप बताना 1125 1025 होता है क्या?
You give me 1125 rupees. Sir, I told you I don't have money.
सर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ 100 रुपए लेके छोड़ दीजिए मुझे.
Sir, you give me.
सर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट
I request you.
आप 100 रुपए ले लीजिए.
You give me.
अरे
You take 100 rupees and left.
आप मुझे छोड़ दीजिए.
And leave me. No, I can't excuse.
Repeat.
Sorry, I can't excuse you.
I can't
excuse you.
Sir,
घूस.
ब्राइब बोलोगे तो मार देगा ये. लोग पैसा लेते हैं लेकिन ब्राइब क्यों बोल सकते हो? तो सर मिठाई खाने के लिए, सर बाबू को मिठाई खाने के लिए लीजिए.
I am an honest person.
No, 1 minute. See, एक काम करो, तुम स्टूडेंट हो तो पहले आईडी कार्ड दिखाओ, मैं 200 रुपए लेके छोड़.
Okay, first you one work.
Do one thing.
One thing. You give me. You show me your ID card, and I will take. I will take 200 rupees and
only.
फिर
मैं छोड़ दूंगा.
Then I will you.
I will leave you. ठीक है सर.
Sir, this is my college ID card and my admit card in my bag. If you want, I show you. Okay, show me also. Okay, sir. This is my admit card for the SS exam.
ये दोनों एडमिट कार्ड भी आईडी कार्ड भी, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना. सपोज
फंडामेंटल
ऑडियंस को बता दो. हाँ ठीक है.
Okay.
200 रुपए दो, मैं तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ.
You give me 200 rupees. Then I leave you. Sir, I have 100 rupees only.
And sir, आपको दे दूंगा ना ये भी 100 था, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं.
Sir, if I give you 100 rupees, I have nothing. I have nothing to do eat something.
तो मैं क्या खाऊंगा?
What I eat. Sir.
What will I eat? अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay.
मैं तुमसे पैसा नहीं लेता.
I don't give you. I don't take money with you. From you.
Sound.
I don't take money from you.
You know from क्यों लगाएंगे? से के कई सारे वर्ड हैं. सिंस मतलब से, फॉर मतलब से, राइट. बाय का सेंस भी से होता है. मैं ट्रेन से आता हूँ, आई कम बाय ट्रेन. विथ मतलब से, फ्रॉम मतलब से, लेकिन सारा से नहीं लगा सकते. ये आपको प्रीपोजिशन में डिटेल पता चलेगा. हर वर्ड का अपना अपना एक एक्सप्लेनेशन. फ्रॉम लगाते हैं सिचुएशंस के लिए. जैसे ये है एक इंसान, इसके पॉकेट में पैसा है और यहाँ से पैसा निकला, तो ये जो सेपरेट हो रहा है ना, वह क्या लगाएंगे आप? प्रीपोजिशन फ्रॉम. ठीक है. ओके. सो मैं तुमसे पैसा नहीं लूंगा.
ओके. आई विल नॉट टेक मनी विथ टू यू
फ्रॉम यू. लेकिन
बट
तुम मुझे वादा करो.
यू
प्रॉमिस मी.
यू प्रॉमिस टू मी.
बगैर टिकट अगली बार यात्रा नहीं करोगे.
यू विदाउट टिकट यू विल नॉट जर्नी.
यू विल नॉट ट्रेवल. सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट फिर वर्ब फिर ऑब्जेक्ट. विदाउट टिकट पहले नहीं बोल सकता ना. तुम बगैर टिकट यात्रा नहीं करोगे. यू विल नॉट ट्रैवल विदाउट टिकट.
यू विल नॉट ट्रैवल विदाउट टिकट.
ठीक है सर.
ओके सर.
नो प्रॉब्लम सर.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
मैं आपसे वादा करता हूँ.
आई प्रॉमिस यू.
मैं कभी भी बगैर टिकट नहीं चलूंगा.
आई नेवर ट्रैवल.
आई विल
नेवर ट्रैवल
विदाउट टिकट.
विदाउट.
स्पीक विद द साउंड.
आई विल नेवर ट्रैवल विदाउट टिकट.
In real, other than this discussion, now,
yes, sir.
Other than this discussion, okay. In real, do you travel without ticket?
Yeah, of course. Sir.
Of course, my God, he is talking confidently. Yes, I travel without ticket. Original. TT does not catch you.
Catch?
Have you been caught by TT originally?
I excuse again, sir.
And
that's why I negotiate that.
No, 1 minute.
Yeah, sir.
Whenever you are traveling in the train originally, and a TT comes and catch you.
Yeah.
So, do you pay fine or he excuses you without fine?
Some TT excuse. He didn't accept my excuse.
Actually, sometimes some TT, few TTs, they don't accept your excuses.
My excuse. Yeah, sir. And some accepted just like.
Have you been arrested? Have you been caught by the TT anytime in the past?
No, sir.
You have not.
No, sir.
Been caught.
Yeah.
You have TT never catch you.
No, sir. That's why I'm saying I travel again without ticket.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Originally you will travel again.
Maybe.
Great. Normally from where to where do you go by train?
Because
no, normally from where?
From Darbhanga.
To where?
From Darbhanga to Patna, Samastipur.
So from Darbhanga to Patna also you go without ticket?
Yes, sir.
In which train?
In the AC, in the sleeper classes.
My God, technique, audience.
Sir, one reason.
Wow,
there is a there is a list of reservation list. You check out the you check out that list. Where is the seat is vacant.
Okay.
Yes.
And you go sit there.
You sit there. So no one ask you why you are travel without ticket. So no one ask you why you are travel. Why you sit there. But TT ask you.
Feel that.
Yeah, I am safe. They
will feel that you are the original person of the seat.
Actually. Because I know how much. Yeah, because I know this seat is vacant.
How do you know? It's outside written.
Yes, sir. In the Google, the reservation list have. But TT, when the TT came,
when the TT comes and catch you,
he have a permission to ask me where is your ticket and why you are travel.
Why are you traveling?
But if I have a sleeper ticket, this is not confirmed. But I am travel to this seat. That's it.
Then
yeah, sir.
Then did he excuse you?
Yeah, excuse, because if I have a sleeper, sleeper permit, you travel, but you don't have.
You are in the sleeper class only in the AC class.
AC class also.
So with the sleeper ticket, you cannot travel in the AC class.
No, sir. I told you, na. Okay. You check the reservation list. Which seat is vacant.
No, but if the TT is not very rude type, he will not excuse you.
I told you, if seat is vacant, then no one person
will disturb you. I agree. But the TT will disturb you.
TT ask you.
Will ask you. Fine.
But in the sleeper, you have a permit to travel. Travel in the sleeper class.
But you cannot come into the reservation bogie.
But you have not confirmed ticket.
Okay.
But you travel. You find the seat.
Okay. You mean to say you have no ticket, suppose, and you are traveling, so it's okay. TT comes, find permit and get the ticket.
But you have a permit.
That's why. So TT, you are leaving him or you will take the fine. You left already. Well, अगली बार से पहले ticket मत चलना.
Next time you will not travel without ticket.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
मैंने already वादा किया आपसे.
I have already promised you.
I already promised you. It's okay.
It's okay.
अब तुम बैठो.
No, you sir.
And आप दूसरे टिकट अब आप दूसरे पैसेंजर के पास जाइए, बोलते हो टिकट बोलो.
Ticket.
Go now. Audience, their discussion is over, and the message for you. Am I right? Hi audience. Hi. If you are listening us on daily basis and learning the grammar also, I confirm you with the guarantee you will speak very good English. Am I right? Because listeners are only going to be the best English speaker. So if you are listening, you will speak also. So once again, I remind you, if you have not still subscribed to it and share with your friends, if you are getting the benefit, let your friends to get benefit also. Can we clap for Mr. Bo? Can we clap? Thank you.